is Ellie from Seaford MG, and today I'm going to show you around this MG ZS Excite in Arctic White. With incredibly low mileage at just 16,054, the Excite model comes with plenty of features which I'll be happy to show you around in just a moment. Just going inside the vehicle now, you've got the cloth interior with the white stitching. You've also then got the coloured touchscreen, and this comes with the Apple CarPlay, Bluetooth connectivity, DAB radio and plenty more. This particular model has the 1 litre automatic gearbox with start-stop technology and also features the cruise control. Coming to the rear of the vehicle, the car also benefits from the reversing parking sensors. And as you can see, it's in absolutely superb condition. If you would like to arrange a viewing on this particular vehicle, or would have any questions, or would like to book a test drive, please feel free to get in contact. You can visit our website or give us a call on 01323 898818.